Hey guys, it's NIKI JABBOUR for Kent Building Supplies, and today I'm going to show you how to build a mini hoop tunnel. Now, a mini hoop tunnel really is just a small greenhouse. It captures solar energy, it creates a microclimate around your plants, and it's quick, easy, and inexpensive to build. And it's a great way to stretch the season in early spring, as well as protect plants from frost and cool weather in late summer and fall. All right, you ready to get started? This mini hoop tunnel is going to be covering a bed of lettuce and arugula for fall harvesting. So the arugula has been planted, it's coming up and growing well, and now it's time for me to quickly plant the lettuce before I build the structure. There are two main components to a mini hoop tunnel, the hoops and the cover. And for this 4-foot by 8-foot bed behind me, I'm going to use 3 hoops, and I like to use 1/2-inch PVC conduit. It comes in 10-foot lengths, it's flexible, it's strong, and it's really easy to work with. And for the cover, I'm going to use polyethylene sheeting, which is clear, so it lets in maximum sunlight. And if you have a traditional in-ground garden and aren't growing in raised beds like I do, you may also wish to use stakes for the hoops just to keep them extra secure. You can hammer these into the ground and then slip the end of the PVC hoop over each stake. All right, let's build our tunnel. Look at that, a perfect hoop. How easy was that? And I didn't want to pull out all of my crops in the garden here yet. I wanted to leave a few of these sunflowers and the parsley because I still think they look pretty awesome. And we can harvest from them for a long time. There we go. Hoop number 2 in place. Now we just have to get the middle one in. Perfect. 3 hoops in place. Now we just need to cover it with the clear polyethylene. You want to make sure the plastic is well secured to the structure. You can use clips to attach it to the hoops, or you can weigh it down. I've just got this end weighed down with a rock because I'm opening them every day to allow for venting and good air circulation. But you could also use logs, pieces of untreated lumber, just nothing sharp that could poke a hole in the plastic. As well as venting, pay attention to watering. Because you have a cover on, the rainwater won't reach the vegetables, so you'll have to keep an eye on the soil moisture and water several times a week.